Okay, so today I'm going to practice. Today, I want to do a video about the languages I know. Actually, today we're just going to speak Thai. I don't know a lot of Thai, but I know enough to get by. So today...
That was a rhyme.
If you don't mind, I have a little poem I've been working on myself. It might help if you heard it.
We are going to learn enough Thai to get by. Okay, here we go. When you say hello, you say Sawadee ka. Ka if you're a female, krap if you're a male. Next up, we are going to learn how to say how much. The way you say how much is Thao Rai Ka. Thao Rai Ka. Okay, next up, you're going to say, where's the bathroom? Because you're gonna need to know where the bathroom is. And the way you say that is stop the video. So, one important thing you're gonna need to know is where's the bathroom? So, the way you ask where the bathroom is Hung Nam Yu Nai. Okay? Hung Nam Yu Nai. So, every sentence you will end it with whatever sex you are. So if you're a male, it will be krap, and if you're a female, it will be ka. So you would say Hung Nam Yu Nai Ka. Let's move on. The next thing you're going to need to learn is plastic bags, because you know what? Plastic bags is a big issue in Asia. Plastic overall. So when you check out, you're going to be asked if you want a plastic bag. So I hope you will say no and bring your own bag. So the word for no is my. My, or you will say MIAO tune, like cartoon, but tune. So you will say MIAO tune ka. And then they won't give you a plastic bag. Just make sure you have something to put your stuff in. Okay? Next up, we are going to learn how to count. So let's count. 1, I'm going to take you from 1 to 5, okay? So I'm not going to stop for each one and just say 1 is this and 2 is that. 1 through 5. Ready?
Contenders ready! Gladiators ready!
Nung, song, sam, si, ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you really like this video at this point, I hope you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And what I'll do for you is, if you really liked this video, we will continue from 6 onwards counting. Okay? So the last word I'm going to teach you how to say is thank you in Thai. Thank you for watching this video. KHOB Ka. Bye.